Hi, this is David Wilms, President of Javelin Industrial, and today I'd like to show you some magnetic pipeliner tools. Here I have the PMG XS2. This is a pipeliner grounding clamp. And let me tell you a little bit about pipeline welding. Pipelines often don't have a good spot to attach a ground because we're working with such long sections of pipe, of course. This can result in a poorly placed ground and grounding arc. A zap mark on a pipeline can be compared to a rock chip in your windshield. It creates a brittle spot, and the zap mark, as I mentioned, very serious. Will often result in cutting out that section of pipe and replacing it. Another important aspect of grounding is maintaining a good, solid, positive ground. A weak ground could result in incomplete penetration or porosity, and the PMG XS2 will go a long way in preventing all of these. It brings the grounding point right to your weld zone, and the spring-loaded grounding tip maintains positive ground at all times. So let me show you. The PMG XS2 has an insulated body. The grounding cable attaches here, and the only live spot is your grounding tip with, like I say, the spring loading, so it gives you a good solid ground. You can also swing it out of the way. Another advantage of being spring loaded is you can use it in any position. Clamp it on the side, clamp it on a vertical pipe. Great tool, very popular. Here we have the pipeliner magnetic grinder holder. It's got some tough mag. This is model MGH, and what this is going to do for you, keep your grinders and your remote control right handy, saving your tools and saving your time. Both great tools. I know you're going to like them. Please check out our other videos and our other great tools. Thanks for watching.